Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening settings and confirming your Apple balance amount because you need to know funds available before any purchase. Sign into the correct Apple ID and verify payment and shipping. Once done, the balance will be selectable at checkout. Make sure screen time or restrictions don't block purchases. If you use family sharing, check Ask to Buy rules so that approvals won't interrupt the flow. Now you're ready to initiate an in-app purchase. You tap the item in the app and proceed to the in-app checkout, where Apple's payment sheet appears. Look for Apple Balance as an option and tap it. Apple will use balance first, then charge any remainder to your primary payment method. If your balance is insufficient, choose Add Funds or select a secondary card before confirming. Make sure to confirm the total including taxes and any trial periods so you know how much will be charged when the transaction completes. You confirm the purchase by checking the on-screen confirmation and the emailed receipt. Then review purchase history in settings to verify the charge applied to Apple Balance. If it failed, add funds or switch payment methods, then retry the purchase. If you see an unexpected hold or error, take a screenshot, note the order ID, and contact Apple support. Explain you used Apple Balance and provide the transaction details. One key troubleshooting tip: restart the device and retry if the payment sheet stalls.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.